Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a very exciting video for you. I have got a video which is in collaboration with Ultrahuman. They reached out to me and asked me to choose a colour for their Ultrahuman Ring Air, and I'm so excited. I'm just very excited. If you don't know, I do love sort of fitness trackers. I have unboxed quite a few on my channel, and I'm just so excited to have this because this is stylish, and there's not many fitness trackers that are actually stylish like these. And this is a ring, so it's dainty and cute and delicate and goes with your outfit and doesn't stand out for the wrong reasons, and it does everything that a fitness tracker should do. So I'm very excited for this. Thank you so much to Ultrahuman. Let's get into the unboxing. Before I show you which colour I went with, I'm going to show you how the process works. Ultrahuman do a ring sizing kit, and when you order the ring online you do actually get a little kit sent out to you, and Ultrahuman did the same for me. They sent me a little ring sizing kit, so I'm going to show you how that works. I have also got a discount code for you, so I'm going to pop that on the screen now for some money off. And I'm just so excited. Thank you so much to Ultrahuman. Let's get into the unboxing. When you order a ring, you have the option to get a ring sizing kit. This is what I've got in my hand right now, and this is how it arrives. So it arrived separately to the ring because when you order the ring you have to basically pick what size you are. So that's what the packaging looks like. This is what the ring sizing kit looks like, and they do recommend that if you have a friend or someone who has bought one previously that you reuse theirs. But this is what comes in the kit. I thought this would be useful to show you. Inside, the first thing you get on the box is this ring sizing kit guide, and then it also has the colours you can choose from down the side. See if you can guess which colour I chose. I think these are absolutely stunning. Colour wise, you've got all of these things to choose from. So you've got raw titanium, which is a matte silver effect. You've got the Aster black, which is a gloss metallic. Then you've got the matte grey, and you've got the space silver, and then the bionic gold. So I was actually choosing between these two. Guess which one I chose. The instructions on here say try on a sample ring, take the 2-night sizing test, review your ring colour, and then submit your ring size. So that's exactly what I did. Underneath the ring colour swatches you've got the ring sizes. So you'll see here you've got several numbers and they all correlate to ring sizes. You can actually take them out like this and then try them on. It does recommend that you try it for several nights in a row just to see how it fits. They do ask that you choose a size that doesn't spin around too much, just so the chip can read your finger without spinning all around the place. I did go with the size 7. I'll show you how that fits now, and I think this is such a lovely idea. It does say that you can give this to friends and things if you're all looking to purchase a ring just to save on packaging. I think that's a nice idea. So this is what the ring size 7 looks like. You'll see it's got a flat bit over here. That's where the little chip is on the actual ring to read your stats and everything. I did just pop that on and I trialed it for a while, and size 7 seemed to be the best fit for me. It does also fit on my middle finger, so I feel like this is the best size for me just in case I want to swap it over. They do recommend that you have it on your index fingers just for best reading, and then also I have seen some people use it on their thumbs. I don't know how Ultrahuman feels about that, but I have seen a few people wear it like that, so I wanted one that would fit on all of these places, and ring number 7 seemed to fit that perfectly, so that's what I went with. I think the fact they show you the colour swatches too is a really nice feature, because sometimes when you look at things online you can't really tell the colour, and I just was so excited to choose from these colour ranges. I think I would have been happy with pretty much either of these even if Ultrahuman chose for me, but I did pick bionic gold. See if you guessed that right. I just love gold jewellery. I'm a person who kind of mixes silver and gold. I'm okay with that, and when I received this I was so excited. Again, so grateful to Ultrahuman for sending this to me. I think this is incredible, and I definitely am so excited to do videos going forward with it. So this is what my box looks like. So I opened it and it's got the ring box inside. At first I did think they've sent me a black one, but actually that's just the design of the box, and it's just such a sleek box. I think the design's amazing. It says Ultrahuman Ring Air on the side, and then it's got their logo. It says Ultrahuman Ring Air accurately measures sleep, recovery and movement to provide actionable health insights daily. And as I said before, I am just so excited to have this because I'm one for fitness trackers. I do actually have a treadmill downstairs, which is a lot of fun, and I'm just very much of a person who likes to track steps, that kind of thing, and I definitely feel healthier when I am sleeping better as well, so I'm excited excited to see the tracking on that. It does say sleep, HRV, movement and temperature tracking. I have spoken to a few people who've used this as well, and they have said that it's tracked their monthly cycle and when they're about to get ill, which is insane. This is so exciting, and yeah, let's just open it. This is what the box looks like. Again, really luxe. I have actually pre-charged my ring because I wanted to show it to you, and I will of course be doing update videos as I go along and the more I wear it. Inside you've got like a spongy lid to protect the ring, and there she is. How beautiful. So as I said, I went with bionic gold because I love the gold. I think it's stunning, and yeah, look at it. It's so pretty. It's so stylish. Literally, you wouldn't look at that and think, okay, this is tracking my health. You'd look at it and think it's a jewelry piece, which I think is iconic. I love that. So this is my little Ultrahuman Air ring, and this is what she looks like. Beautiful gold colour, stunning. And it says Ultrahuman on the inside. I'm going to try and show you there, look. How nice. It's beautiful. Honestly, this colour's everything. And as I said, I do mix gold and silver jewellery, so this is just perfect. I really like it. And you can see the flat bit where the chip is, and I just love this. Let's pop it on. I love it. And look how cute it is. It's so comfortable to wear as well. You wouldn't really feel like you've got anything on. I just love the way that looks. I love it with silver jewellery as well. I know some people don't mix, but yeah, love that. So then in the box you've got the little ring space there, and then underneath it says decode the science of your sleep and recovery, and that's what it says on the slip of paper there. And then when we lift that up, oh, it's got some information on the back. On the back of the leaflet it has some information, so I'm just going to read that to you. It says you have got your hands on more than just a ring, a personal compass in your health journey. The Ring Air combines the best of form and functionality to decode the science behind your sleep and recovery. Your fingers are data gold mines. They are ideal location for capturing the most accurate biomarker data. The data is then distilled into personalised and actionable insights, helping you understand your health better. It says the Ring Air is designed to encapsulate your health markers like sleep, HRV, movement and temperature in a minimal yet powerful body crafted out of titanium. Its sleek and minimalist design is inspired by the philosophy that the best tools are often discreet and eventually become an extension of you. Think of the ring as your personal health compass, nudging you towards a healthier version of you. As you wear it, you're not just tracking data, you are tracking action towards understanding your state of sleep, recovery and movement in the larger context of your overall health. Now all you have to do is begin. Cute, inspiring. I love it, it's so shiny. Right, let's have a look what else is in here. I don't want to drop her. Let's put her back on. Next, inside the box it does say hello cyborg, and then when we take that out I think that's probably got information in, so I'll have a read of that later. We've got some stickers, Ultrahuman, in case you want to stick those somewhere. And then we've got the charger. So this is a really cute design. This is what the charger looks like, and it says on the back Ultrahuman Ring Dock. So what you can do is when you plug it into the USB-C, which it does actually come with a wire with, you can store your ring on here so it stays safe. I will actually show you what it looks like on the dock. So you pop it like this and then it charges, so you have to have the flat bit with the flat bit of the ring, and that's what it looks like. A really nice display stand, somewhere to keep it safe and to charge it with ease. I love that. Really sleek design. And then the next bit is just the wire, so it says get wired on it. I love how it comes with a wire because not everything does nowadays. And it just unravels like this, and it's a black cord. It looks very smart. I'll definitely pop this on my desk just so I can charge my ring whenever I need to. The cable's very long as well. You'll see the cable's like a cord, so it's a really nice material. And then you've just got the different ends for it, and then you can obviously plug that straight into the dock like that. It does feel really good quality, and I'm very excited to have this. I think it just looks really smart in the black. We're used to seeing a lot of things in white, but yeah, really happy with that and so excited to get into the ring. With the Ultrahuman Ring Air, you do have an app called Ultrahuman which goes alongside it, so you can download it on iPhone or Android, and it is complimentary, so there aren't any hidden costs with it. Some rings do have subscriptions, whereas the Ultrahuman does not. So once you purchase the ring, you do have the benefits of the ring for a lifetime, and that's really great. A couple of things on the ring. So it says it is a sleep, recovery and metabolic health tracker. It says it tracks heart rate, HRV, skin temperature and movement to provide insights on sleep stages, stress levels, I need that. Workout intensity and circadian rhythm alignment with no required subscriptions fees, like I mentioned. I think that's great. So the sleep tracking is something I'm very interested in, because sometimes I wake up and I feel a lot healthier than other days, and then other days I just know I haven't had sleep. And I have heard people talk about this ring tracking that accurately, so that's really something exciting that I'm looking forward to finding out. Other things like temperature, I think that's going to be interesting if it can tell if I'm going to get ill. I mean, I'm somebody who has the flu jab every year anyway, so hopefully I won't get ill, but you never know, it might be useful to have a little bit of a warning sometimes. And again, with exercise, I'm very excited to see how this tracks things like steps and heart rate and just movement in general. I do go on the treadmill quite a bit and I do lots of walking, so I'm very excited to see how this works. And just look how stylish it looks. It just, I don't know why I've shown you this hand, but it just looks like a piece of jewellery. I'm amazed by that. It's gorgeous, literally. I'm so excited that I picked gold. I love it. My plan is to wear the Ultrahuman ring for a while and then do an update video to show you how I'm getting on. So far, it just feels amazing. It looks so stylish. I'm really excited by it. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? And it's really lightweight. And I think if that can do the tracking of everything it says, I'm just going to be so excited by it. I've heard so many good reviews and I'm so excited to be working with Ultrahuman on this video. So do check out the discount code, which I'll pop on the screen again for you. And that does get you some money off the ring itself, which is so exciting and so generous. And I just think it's stunning. It's literally so beautiful. I really like it. I love the style of it. I love the fact that it's functional, and I'm very excited to see where this Ultrahuman Ring Air journey takes me. Again, thank you so much to Ultrahuman for sending me this ring. I am so super grateful. And if you want to see updates on how I get on with the ring, please subscribe, because it would mean the world, and I will be posting updates very soon. I will also post to Instagram, so if you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoe Glitter, Zoe with a Y. And let me know, have you tried the Ultrahuman rings? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I will also pop some updates on shorts and things, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe. Again, thank you so much to Ultrahuman. I'm so grateful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!